Hello everyone, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the isochronous governor. In the question it is written that if the balls of the governor occupy the specified position for each speed, it is said to be what? Stable, hunting, isochronous and sensitive. First we need to understand, this is saying that specified position. If the balls of the governor occupy specified position for each speed, it is said to be what? We all know that in isochronous governor, whether you increase the radius or you decrease the radius, the speed of the governor remain constant. Speed of the governor remain constant. Okay, so there will not be any effect on the speed of the governor whether you increase the radius of rotation of the ball or decrease the radius of the ball. Radius of rotation of the ball, whether you decrease it, whether you increase it, the speed of the governor will not be changed. So that is the condition for the isochronous governor. So if the ball of the governor occupy the specified position for each speed, it is said to be isochronous. So for this answer, option C would be the correct answer.